All right, it's Tuesday, August 26th. I'm buying some Meta at 752.16. This is here on the two up bar, on bar number 3, getting ready then to resume to its first target, the highs of the day, which is very close to yesterday's close and the pre-market highs. And what that sets off is kind of a two-down failure day where we took out the low of the previous day, and then opening price action immediately moves higher and gets through the midpoint of that day, which projects a 3-bar to those highs. And overall, on the weekly chart here on Meta, we have kind of a little two down last week that kind of worked into this gap overall, and had some nice buying, and then we're inside on this week, so there's no real act. We're going to have to see if we can ultimately get a 2 up bar, an inside bar, and then a 2 up into next week to resume the uptrend. But overall, it's a strong uptrend stock, so I'm looking for buy opportunities. And like I said, on the daily chart here, I like the way after that kind of reversal day on Friday, a little pause day, we took out the low of the bar, immediately brought in buying at the midpoint of that big green bar, and now with this initial 15-minute chart starting to move higher here, this to me sets off kind of a domino effect where we take out the highs of the day, which we're doing right now, and to the close of yesterday, and these pre-market highs up here, and that's kind of the midpoint of the prior day's bar, which then can project to the highs of yesterday. So kind of playing this uptrend and kind of just the two down failure that's unfolding early in the session here, back to the upside on Meta, buying it here at this blue line.